Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be doing my unboxing because I received my Boxycharm box. So sadly I will be only doing unboxing and not gonna be trying all of the products that I received right here. So I'm gonna be mentioning the products and as well as the prices and the overall value of this box right here. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so this is the box right here, and let me open it now. So what welcome us is this card right here, and it says Boxycharm, totally. And my box is number 2. I've got 5 items, full sizes. Most of the time, not most of the time, but I don't know if they always send full sizes, but they're claiming that majority of the products that they're sending are full sizes, which is really good. So the first one we've got right here is this BECCA powder, and it says here BECCA Hydrating Mist and Refreshing Powder. I'm so excited that I received this one right here. They've got 2 shades. They've shown 2 shades. First is dark, and this one is a little bit lighter. What I've got is the light one, and I don't know where to locate the shade of this powder right here, but let me show it to you. So it's a full size powder, and voila, and this retails for $39. So I'm so glad that I received this one right here, because I know myself I'm not gonna be buying this using my personal. I still use my money to purchase the box, but I don't know if you get what I mean, but it's really different if you're buying just $39 full price in the store and just going home with only 1 item than buying an entire box for only $23 and you get 5 items, if that makes any sense. So that's the first item we've got. Now we'll proceed to the second one. We've got this cute tube right here. This one says Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So what does this thing here does to our skin? It says here it helps to restore skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. So allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. So illuminating oil by Wonder Beauty, and you know what? These retails for $42. So I don't know why my camera is not focusing. My goodness. So this retails for $42. It's kind of small, so again I'm so grateful. I hope they've included the box too, so I could probably give it away if I'm not gonna be using it. So but yeah, it has seal, but they did not include the box of this item right here. And now we'll proceed to the third item. We've got this one right here. So it looks pretty, and it says here Big Eagle Mascara by Tarte, and these retails for $23. Also, again, I'm glad that I received a mascara, because this is something that I don't want to purchase in the store. I don't know, it's just the last thing that I'm gonna be using my money with. Oh, I don't know. So this is, oh, it looks fancy and very colorful, so it's easy to find this in your bag when it's dark because it's really colorful. And I've mentioned the price already, but I will repeat it. It's $23. Now we'll proceed to the second to the last item, this one right here. And so this is in a particular order. I just follow this one right here. And second to the last is the Stace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. So this is considered 1, but they've sent 2. And the shades are really pretty. This is Cotton Candy, this one right here, and the other one is LATTE. So these 2 right here, I don't know if it's 2 or 1, retails for $25. So these 2s right here, I'm not gonna be swatching it. And the last item that I've got in this month's box, is it this month? So this one right here, it's Steve Lauren lip liner. I've tested this one. Okay, I said I'm not gonna be testing it, but I've tested this, and this is really creamy and easy to use, and retails for $15. So the total value of the entire box is $144 and only paid $23. So $23 because Boxycharm is selling their box for only $21, but since I live in California, which they added tax, so the $2 is certainly the tax. So that's why I'm paying $23. And used to be when I first received my box, like first month that I've subscribed and received it, I was so excited. Second month, I was so excited. Third month, I was so excited. And until the excitement just totally gone. But I would say even though the feelings, the butterfly feelings are gone, I would still continue subscribing because I would say it's really worth it. And they are all full sizes. So this month's items are okay, but I would say it's good. Do you get my point? Like, I am not so excited, but I'm glad that I received this one, and I received this one, and I received the mascara because this would be the last thing in my list to purchase. So yeah, things like that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, you could just scroll the description box, and I'm gonna be leaving the link of Boxycharm from there. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.